Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Made from Scrap, and I'm going to be taking a look at other quick tutorials and seeing if I can put my spin, made from scrap spin, on things and use up some of the papers in my stash or odds and ends that I have around my craft room, using up a collection that I was just using on another project perhaps, or something like that. So I'm going to get started with this one. This is the Waterfall Folio tutorial from Let's Get Scrappy from a couple of years ago, and I will link her video below, or it might be at the top of the video, but let me just show you. This is my little waterfall folio that I made. So I'm using the Doodlebug made with Love collection. These are some things that I had left from the last project. I used some of the chipboard pieces that I had in my stash. So this measures 3.5 inches by 8 inches, and then I did use the 3/4 inch spine. So check out her tutorial for the video for the tutorial, but I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough. So I think this is super cute. I just layered up some of the papers there with one of the cut aparts and some stickers on this, and then when you open it up, there's a long waterfall on this side, and it's held closed with a magnet closure right here. So I have some Doodle Pops on here, and what's great about this 3/4 inch spine is that there is enough room to put a couple of Doodle Pops on here and have some fun that way. So I'm just going to do a little flip. So there we go. I have some kind of faux belly bands on here, and then I did some faux stitching with just a pen. I went ahead and folded over a piece of the decorative paper there, so we can do some journaling in there perhaps. Here I made another little booklet out of 2 of the cut aparts. So isn't that sweet? We have another scrap piece that I layered up and put a sticker on, so there's a spot for another photo, and then a couple of the tag cut aparts from the collection. So that's really cute. And then I have that pocket in the middle, and that all stays closed again by that magnet closure. On this right hand side I have another magnet closure, so I'm going to set that aside real quick, but part of the tutorial shows the waterfall, and this is 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch waterfall. I have 4 of them. So the measurements are definitely different than the tutorial that she shows. Then I put a pocket down here, and these are some of the leftover pieces of cardstock that I had that I want to try to use. And then I went ahead and used up some additional scraps that I had from the collection in this way. So this right here and the eggs and these butter pieces were all part of one Doodle Pop. So when I opened that up, I wanted to use all of them together. I thought this is a good way to hold this together, this magnet closure. So I went ahead and pulled out, I have cut off pieces that I've been holding on to that I want to try to use. These are just regular printer paper that was cut off. So I'm using those for little like journaling pads. So went ahead and stapled it together and just layered it up with little bits and pieces that were scrap pieces and stickers. So I'll just do a quick run through here, give you some ideas, little photo mats that I made, little tuck spots that are in here, little tiny attacher used to make a little tab here. I used a edge punch that I have in my stash that I haven't used in a while. I tell you what, this was little fun thing to do, just to decorate even this little mini notebook. So I encourage you to do that because I had a good time with it, actually. So isn't this cute? These little tags, little mini tags. And then there's another sticker on it. So again, this just tucks right there, and then the magnet is pretty good and holds that shut. So I hope that this has inspired you, and I look forward to seeing you join in making one of these projects soon. If you like this, please like and subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subby, and look forward to seeing you next time. Happy crafting, you all. Bye.